Interrupt testing. Interrupt testing is a process to replicate interrupt to the application. Means like interrupt means like a disturbance. If you download an application in middle, if you remove your battery, this is called like a interruption. Or otherwise, if you run an application, maybe sometimes you will get calls because of for mobile. The what is important to mobile, what is the mother functionality of mobile calls or SMS. So that's why if you develop an application, it not affect to your mother functionality. So that's why for any interrupt caused due to activities such as phone calls, SMS or MMS, battery down, network not found, like that. When you do like that, battery removal when the application is running or is in background, phone call when the application is running or is in background, device shutdown, like a lot of ways are there to test the interrupt testing for any application. We have to explain clearly about that also. If a device moves out of any network, then it should automatically switch to other network. See, if your application is working on like a 3G, if you shift it to the Wi-Fi, without disturbance it will switch to your Wi-Fi, and without disturbance your application works perfectly. We have to test like that wise. Turn into airplane mode is active, then also application should work properly. Like airplane mode means like your network totally in off situation. We have to test any application in airplane mode off and on, because of for applications, think like if you are working on a Facebook application, means it will work through Wi-Fi. So for Wi-Fi there is no need to your network, means like vendors or Airtel or Idea. So at that time you have to test that application with airplane off and on. If you do like that way, and the application should provide user friendly message when any function cannot be performed due to missing SD card, like that. See, the application should provide user friendly message, means like if you are install an application into your mobile, maybe your SD card data is very less. Let's take an example. In your SD card, it like around 20 dB. See, let's example like a friendly message means. Let's take an example. If you download like a Facebook application, take let's 25 MB for Facebook application. So in your mobile, it's let's take device capacity or your SD card only have 20 MB space. See, Facebook application capacity is to download 25 MB, but if you observe here in your mobile device or SD card, the space is only like a 20 MB space. So here like provide a friendly message, means here is it possible to download? No, definitely it shows a pop-up message like there is no enough space, like that. See, like see here it is showing error downloading, like Facebook, there is insufficient space on your mobile device, like that. If you there is no space in your system or in mobile, it shows definitely an applications like that. If that is like a friendly message, if it shows like a friendly message means end user can easily understand what you are saying, so then they can easily understand. There is no insufficient space in your SD card, so that's why you have to remove some other applications and you can install whatever they want, so like that. Next, while working with any application and there is an interruption due to any phone calls or other reasons, like other reasons means maybe sometimes if your battery is very low, maybe automatically switch off, like that, or otherwise maybe by mistakenly it automatically switch off, like lot of ways to other reasons, but then the application should go in paused mode and run in background, and after that interruption is over. Interruption means phone call, application should return back to foreground but in pause mode. If you see like if you are looking like any video in your YouTube, it will around 10 minutes is completed, but when you get a call around your friend, so after that, after finish your call again it will start from the 10 minutes only, so like that we have to test the applications. And applications should easily run on Wi-Fi, 4G or 3G or 2G connections. See like incoming SMS or outgoing SMS, in interruptions, like incoming call, outgoing call, or some alert messages are coming, or maybe network issues. If you are working on your application, maybe you are in one place but you have to go to the other place. See, the network maybe changes because of you are in Wi-Fi here, but you have to go to the other place with your 3G connection. So it will automatically convert to the 3G networks without any disturbance of your application. That is the most important thing. Then come to installation testing. Installation testing. What is installation testing? Installation testing is one of the most important parts of testing activities. The mobile applications are either pre-installed on the device or can be downloaded from any store. Means pre-installed means there are pre-installed applications are there and installed applications are there. Already I explained in my previous videos. Means installed applications means like we have to install our applications, means whatever you want you have to install into your mobile. Pre-installed applications means already it is installed in your systems or mobiles. The installation testing is not necessary if the application is pre-installed. See, the installation testing is not necessary if the application is pre-installed. Means like in your mobile there is a calculator. There is no need to test again because of its pre-installed applications. This testing focuses on each step of the installation process that a user has to follow. Usually the methods followed for downloading an application are like over the air, through cable, SD card, Bluetooth, or we can download the application from stores. This testing covers installation, upgrade and uninstallation of the application. For installed applications we can definitely install the application and upgrade the application if you want, like the provider can give any upgrade for that application. We have to install that upgrade also. When you upgrade that application, the old application removes and new application will store the same place. And uninstallation of that application means if you don't want that application, you can uninstall that application. So here for any application we have to test like installation first, and upgrade is there for that application, and uninstall of that application. See, for uninstall or install that application, we have to definitely download that application. After download, we can install that application, uninstall that application, and launch, close, relaunch, upgrade, like that. Installation, like if you download, if you take like a Facebook app, if you download this application, means installation means compulsory you have to download this application. You can download this application. Download means after download what you do, you can install that application. You install. After install, what you do, you have to test the functionality of that application or performance of that application, anything. That's a later. And you can check with uninstall that application. Definitely we have to download the application, install and install. Here what happens means, in your memory card there is a 50 MB space is there, but Facebook app is 25 MB capacity. So without any error message, it should automatically downloaded your Facebook application into your device. But here we have to check in installation, like see, 50 MB space, we have to download it 25 MB. 25 MB. So what next left? Minus 25. So in your mobile device there is another space is 25 MB. But what happens if you uninstall this application? Means if you uninstall this application, it will go to again add 25 MB, means it will come under 50 MB. But here we have to test like this way. Here maybe sometimes happens like interrupt testing. Already I explained in my previous videos interrupt testing. We have to check in that way. When you uninstall this application, or you can install this application, just you have to remove your battery or switch off your mobile. So in 25 MB, 15 MB it's already downloaded, 10 MB not downloaded. So 50 MB means it will go to 25 MB. Maybe after install this application, it will 50 minus 15 means 35 MB. But when you uninstall that application, means it's not installed properly. So if you uninstall that application, it remove 15 MB. but sometimes what happens means it will not uninstall clearly. Maybe some supported files or device files are stored in your app, in your mobile, and it will delete only up to 10 MB. So you can lose 5 MB. So you can test in a different ways the installation testing. It is the most important for any like downloadable applications or installable applications. Why means for pre-installed applications there is no need to installation.